Welcome to the Blue Star Higher Secondary School Classics subject Social Science. Children, today we are going to see the classwork. Children, write the chapter name from gathering to growing food. Don't write this topic and all. Write only the chapter name from gathering to growing food. Introduction to know about the farming and herding. Objectives to identify the material culture generated by the people in relatively stable settlement. Topics: varieties of food, beginnings of farming and herding, a new way of life, storing animals, finding out about the first farmers and herders towards a settlement life. What about other customs and the practice? A closer look lying and dying in Mahagar, a closer look of Diogely Hadding. Mind map of this lesson is from gathering to growing food. The mind map: people planted seed and noticed that it takes some time to grow. They stayed in same place for a long time. They looked after the plants, watering birds till the grains ripened. Grains are to be stored for the food and seed. D words with meaning English and Tamil. Demonstration. Beginning of the demonstration of the plants and animals about 12,000 years ago. Herders, one who tends the herds of cattle or keep of the herds of animals. Burials, when people die, their relatives and the friends generally pay respect to them. Weeding, remove unwanted plants from area of ground. Grinding, oppressive and seemingly without end. Tribes, usually 2 or 3 generations, live together in small settlement or village. Weaving, action of forming the fabric by interlocking threads, perhaps used to express uncertainty. Sprouted, put out shoots. Adopted, choose to take up. One mark. Sheep and pig. The answer of first one is sheep and pig were considered as a general animal. Dead people in Mehagar were buried with goats. Answer is goat. The ancient wood hardened into a stone is called fossil wood. The jagat was probably brought from China. Houses in Mehagar were square and rectangular in shape. Choose the correct answer. First one, what type of food do we get from the plants? A option milk, B option meat, C option is fruits, vegetables and grains. D option is none of these. The answer is fruits, vegetable and grain. Name the animals who gives us a milk. Cow, goat, sheep and none of this. The answer is cow. Select the animals who was the first domesticated. Lion, bear, dog, elephant. Answer is dog. When did the domestication begins? A option is about 12 years ago. B option is about 8 years ago. C option about 6,000 years ago. D option is 4,000 years ago. The answer will be 12,000 years ago. Where did Mehagar located today? Uttar Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh, Pakistan, China. The answer is Pakistan. State whether the given statement is true or false. Pit house were found in Bursahum. True. The first animals to be tamed was goat. False. The first animal is what? Tamed is dog. You can see in the video itself I have taught it. Grains were stored in cardboard box. False. It was stored in pots. So it has been stored in cardboard box? No, it was stored in pots. Paleolithic stones were still made up of used in the Neolithic period. True. The bones from the different levels in Mehagar indicates herding came after hunting. True. Two marks. First one, list the cereals that you eat: wheat, rice, barley, black gram, white gram. Why were people live buried with gold? People were buried with gold as it was believed that could survive as a food after death. How was grain stored by the early settlers? The grains were stored in clay pots, woven baskets, or in pit dig in the ground. Write the meaning of the term of demonstrations of the animals in brief. Domestication of animals means to tame the animals. Do you think hunter gatherers could have made and used the pots, and give a reason for your answer? The answer is no, hunter gatherers could not have made and used the pots because they were not living a settled life and no need for storage of food. The 2 marks has been completed. Now let we move to the 3 marks. Why do people who grow crops have to stay in the same for a long time? People who grow crops have to stay in the same place for a long time to look after the plants, protecting them from birds, animals, and their other follows so that they grow and the crops are seeds safely. Second one, settlement life is useful and essential to being civilized life. Third, the people grow crops to meet their daily food and some others' needs. Discuss in short the beginning of the farming. The climate of the world was changing, and so were the plants that the people used as a food. People probably noticed several things. Where edible plant has been found, how how seeds broken how seeds broken of stalks fell on the ground and the new seeds sprouted from them. Third answer, what were the tribes? What is their importance? Many of the farmers hunters lived in a group are called tribes. Importance, usually 2 or 3 generations they live together in their same place in their villages. Okay, is usually 2 or 3 generations live together, where means they live in villages. They took part in dancing and singing. They decorate their houses and the articles. How did the civilization give a new way of life to the people? A settlement life, new way of life. When people began growing plants, it meant that they had to stay in the same place for a long time, looking after the plants, watering, waving, driving away animals and the birds till the grains ripened. Process of farming. In many years, they began making a large clay of pots and woolen baskets or dig pits into the ground. Children, Read the 3 marks and 2 marks of this lesson as it is. Whatever I have written, you copy in your classwork, write neatly. After completing every question answer, underline every question answers. Don't make mistakes. Thank you, children.